In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Eventbrite order. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect after you cancel, so you can avoid any surprises. First, open your web browser and go to the Eventbrite website. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you've used more than one email for tickets in the past. Being on the right account ensures you'll see the order you want to cancel. If you're on a phone, you can do this in a mobile browser or the Eventbrite app. The layout may look a little different, but the process is essentially the same. Once you're on Eventbrite and logged in, head to your orders. You'll typically find this by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Orders or Tickets. This page lists your upcoming and past orders. Take a moment to locate the specific event you want to cancel. If you have several, double-check the event name, date, and the number of tickets to make sure you're opening the right one. Next, click into the order you wish to cancel. Inside the order details, look for the Cancel Order button. When you select it, Eventbrite may show a confirmation window asking you to confirm the cancellation, and sometimes you might be asked to provide a brief reason. Read any notes on the screen carefully. Some events have specific cancellation or refund rules set by the organizer. If your ticket was free, cancellation is usually immediate. For paid tickets, refunds depend on the event's policy, which may include deadlines or restrictions. If you see a message indicating that the cancellation window has passed, or if the cancel order option isn't available, it usually means the organizer has disabled cancellations for that event, or the cutoff time has been reached. After you confirm, you're done. You should see an on-screen confirmation, and you'll typically receive a confirmation email as well. Keep that email for your records. If a refund applies, it's processed through the original payment method, and timing can vary depending on the organizer and your bank or card issuer. If you don't see the confirmation message or email, try refreshing the orders page to verify the status of your ticket. You can also check your spam or junk folder just in case. That's all there is to it. Go to Eventbrite, open your orders, select the correct ticket, and click Cancel Order. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident about managing your Eventbrite tickets.